Alright, Curtis found Mrs. Kapper the top part of this, so now I'm going to cut the stump and she's going to use it for, you know, a lamp or something rustic. Got the old trusty Milwaukee, love that thing. So here's something that she made on a pedestal like that, so I could see that beaver thing being on something kind of like this. But this one turned out really pretty.
So we are back out at the junkyard today, and I actually discouraged Mr. Kapper from bringing the trailer because we were only going to pick up a few pieces of wood left over from the chicken coop. But what are you doing there?
I'm getting you the beaver wood chips, authentic.
Authentic beaver wood chips.
Authentic wood chips. With bark on some of them and everything.
Now those are...
It's hard to replicate that.
Yes, those are authentic. Yeah. Got some sharp teeth. So I have the top part.
Beavers, though, I heard that our trappers caught one already.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I haven't seen a picture yet. But I heard they got one.
There's plenty of them.
Seems like it.
So he's got the bottom part of a tree that a beaver cut down, and then I have the top part of it, and no idea what I'm going to do with it yet, but who knows, it might make a good lamp, I don't know, might make firewood.
Milwaukee.
Okay, if that went underneath the trailer, you were gonna go get it, not me.
I'm on restrictions, no crawling allowed.
Really?
Wow, that's pretty. And you got a nice base there to work with.
Look at that. All right.
Now, I gotta get up somehow.
Here, let me help you, Gramps. There's a couple of good oak boards. Oh, right in that middle part, right in there. Let's see how delicately Mr. Kapper can pull them out. Like picking a needle out of a haystack. There was one piece in there I wanted. Oh well. Yeah. Well, it was. I guess it still is.
Okay, watch this precision move right here.
Oh, look, I had a bonus window frame. Alright, so there's a challenge for him. There's one 4x4 sticking out. See if you can get it. Oh, it's slipping through his teeth. It's like the claw. That game. Oh, it is.
I don't think that's an oak one, do you?
Nah. Oh, this is what's left of the garage. Look at this. Oh, I think that was the handle. Look at that, a little pick, or a hoe, or a shovel, whatever you want to call it. I think that's left over of the handle.
This is kind of an update for Curtis also. He hasn't been out here for a while. It appears that the boys are starting in on this double wide. I don't know if they're just like parting out the good stuff first or what, but there's definitely chunks missing out of it. And obviously they got a trailer here, so let's load up our score of wood here and see what we got. So what in the world is she gonna make with this? Obviously she'd have to figure out a way to put these two together, you know, back like they originally go. Something like that, but whoops. Okay, so this is what you got to do when you buy too much equipment like me. Now you got to start pinching pennies. So here's our haul for the day. On the left side is treated 2x4s, and on the right side is junk wood. I mean, valuably recovered, ancient, possibly hand-cut oak. That's what's on the right side. And she found another window frame, I guess we're bringing also. But hey, we got some fresh air. It's been cold the last 3 days, so it's just good to get outside. Fun stuff. Okay, I got rid of one piece. I talked Mrs. Kapper out of this one because it's missing a corner. So it's, yeah, so I got permission to throw it back on the pile. Oh yeah. All right, I'm planning ahead. Just talked to Curtis, and the first dumpster's coming early this week. So, gonna be fun stuff coming up.
Hey, I noticed there's some carpet back there. You're always looking for some for your deer blinds.
Yeah.
I don't think you have to worry about like any human scent on them anymore.
So behind this tank here is the last piece of the property that hasn't been explored. I'm not sure how far it goes that way, but it's all briars, and I don't feel like getting briared up. Actually, I think I could see the end of it, so I don't think the bulldozer's hiding in here. Yeah, we're almost, okay, it doesn't go as far as I thought it did, but it goes up to that fence line up there. Now this briar patch could hide about anything right here in front of me. That's a nasty one. Mrs. Kapper is working on Curtis's table from the door in the chicken coop over there. That's gonna be pretty exciting. That's gonna be an awesome project.